My father came here. He was the only one. It's an interesting story because he was the only one of his family who came to America. His parents all stayed, and they were in, I call it Poland or Russia. It changed the border sometimes. He came from a family of Talmud Khokhms. His father was a Rav, and his brothers all were studying to be rabbis and Ravs, and he refused to study. So they didn't know what do you do with a Jewish boy who doesn't want to study? You send him to America. That's what they did. He was 16 years old. One delightful story he told me about, he remembers when he was 15 or 16, if a Yiddish theater came to the Shtetl that they lived in, and I wish I could remember where it was, they didn't have enough money to buy more than one ticket. So they'd buy a ticket, they'd send my father, he'd come home and act out the whole show for them. He was very gifted. He sang and he played. That's what he should have been instead of a Talmud Khokhm. He should have played on the Yiddish stage. He was wonderful with that.